Good afternoon, friends. Today we are discussing on a topic of business intelligence and its challenges. What is business intelligence? It is a set of process, architecture, and technologies that convert raw data into meaningful information that drive profitable business actions. It is suited for software and services to transform data into actionable intelligence and knowledges. Here, business intelligence softwares are the tools that make it possible to create value from big data. For example, like business intelligence technologies include data warehousing, dashboard, and hawk reporting. Data discovery tools and cloud data services. These are some examples of the business intelligence. There are some biggest challenges in the business intelligence. First is business intelligence is costly. Here, absence of execution and training and unstructured data of business intelligence. Here, business aren't measuring the right indicators, lacking a clarity defined BI strategies, and poor BI functionality and interaction. Let me discuss one by one. Business intelligence is costly here, spending plans and assets having always been tight, particularly for small businesses. There is no true anymore with the arrival of SSBI stages. The cost of conversing BI as an essential both among SME means small and medium-sized enterprises. Here, SMEs are debilitary by the restrictive expenses of gaining the correct programming. Second is absence of execution and training. Here, many times organizations have all around ignoring necessity, a sound BI system, and a decent appropriate arrangement, but still need specialized ability. Here, another factor that has influenced SMEs is to get some distance from BI is the appreciated requirement for board timing. The reasons for the absence of execution frequently are different and fluctuated. Similarly, it's to cure. This has required extra training in data administration applications. Is unstructured data business intelligence. Here, business many put resources into enormous data investigation but cannot finish the assignment in time. Here, entrepreneurs are swinging to imaginative BI devices to address things, business intelligence issues. Here, they may result in individual investing hours in cleaning and organizing the data first, and after that utilize the BI services. These instruments can unbounded, blinded, reactive adjacent on the flying without the need to rebuild database or set up a data distribution centers. Business aren't measuring the right indicators. Here, basically, organizations are quick to measure financial PKIs, but unfortunately, they often stop there. While these metrics are important, they are often measured at the end of the year or quarter and are fairly reactive in nature. Once again, they are critical to measure and report on, but SMEs should be monitoring more. This is where a comprehensive BI plans contribute to an organization's success. It is important that a wide range of apprehension KPIs are used to measure progress and performance. These data to be used by benchmark internally as across department offices will lack a clear defining BI strategy. Here, one of the most overlooked business intelligence challenges faced today entrepreneurs or business leaders in the fact that disparities then access to a wealth of equity venture boosting data. There is a server lack of strategy behind these insights. While this is a better than going with young your cuts along without a clear defining data driving strategy, you are still shooting in the dark. Last is poor BI functional and interactivity. Here, as mentioned, interactivity data dashboard came into a host of built in future and functional that make extracting insight from your data swift, simply and effective, thus overcoming one of the most common BI problem of slugging data sharing process. Here many business face these issues as people need to collect, communicate, and analyze data from a number of sources, often from platforms or programs. Data is incredible manual and lack interactivity more often than not. Poor processing and functionality leaders to enumerate influence and costly mistake that can potentially stunt the growth of the business. So thank you very much for watching the video.